Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix black screen after unfolding Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. So, if you're unfolding your phone, for example, from this, if you're unfolding, let me quickly just unlock it. If you're unfolding it and there is nothing, it's dark, what you guys want to do first is restart the phone. So press the power button, volume down button at the same time. Keep on holding until you see this power menu and tap on restart. Tap again, and of course you can do it from your cover screen, not the main screen right here. Now you need to wait for the phone to restart. So I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. After the restart, what are we gonna do is we're gonna go over, and first we want to go and open up the settings. So wait for the phone to load, open settings. Here we're gonna go over and scroll to display. In the display we want to go over and make sure that we continue apps on cover screen always. So it will work just fine. You can fold your phone. Also you can just go over here and do that. As you guys can see, there's no black screen, everything's loading up just fine. And what you guys want to do next is go over and, as a last resort, run the self-diagnostic test. So now we're going to go to Warranty and Care. Here we're going to go to Troubleshooting and Diagnostics. As you guys can see here, we will have 20 tests. So you can skip most of them. That's why we're going to do that, because we don't want to waste our time here. We want to check our screen if it's working. So now let's wait for the test to load. As you guys can see, it's checking the system software. Now you cannot skip it. Soon you can, you'll be able to, but for now, as you guys can see, it is just checking. It has to, it's mandatory. So we are waiting. As you guys can see, the remaining tests are interactive, so we're going to go OK. Now we're going to skip the Wi-Fi. We are not interested in this. Bluetooth buttons, we're going to skip it. Vibration, skip it. In-call speaker, mic, and now fingerprint recognition, face recognition. And here we have the screen. So we want to tap on each one of these squares and make sure that our screen is fully working. For example, if that one in the corner does not work for you, I would recommend giving the phone to the authorized device support center and tell them about the issue. So now I'm going to tap through it, and I'll see you guys in a second. So our test has been completed. Everything is good, and as you guys can see, touchscreen is okay. And that's basically it for the video. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.